Hi, I'm Spencer, USA Gutter Services. It's just my opinion, but I would say after basic landscaping, nothing increases your curb appeal faster than cleaning the exterior of your gutters. In a previous video, I had hacked this RC car, putting sponges around one of the back wheels to be an exterior gutter cleaner. Now it was a lot of fun, but it left a lot to be desired. So I want to give it another try, except this time I'm going to try to use a buffing wheel and a cordless drill to clean the exterior of gutters. So my polishing buffing bonnet, it came in this pack from Hart. I think I paid about $6 for it from Walmart. It came with more things than I need, at least for this purpose. It came with sandpaper, but at least for today, it's just the buffing bonnet that I really need. So let's see what's in here. So this is the cone washer. This is what's going to attach it to my cordless drill. I'm going to use my Ryobi Cordless drill. You can see the buffing bonnet. This is the sandpaper, and I assume this is what I'm going to attach the bonnet to. There are the directions right here, how to attach the buffing bonnet. So I'll go ahead and follow those directions and install it. Okay, so now I have the cone washer, and it says to place the screw through the washer. I'm a little concerned about is there's another washer right here, kind of an interesting serrated one. Doesn't say where that should be. And then after I do that, I'm supposed to push both of these through the rubber backer. And now I tighten this onto the arbor, so this thing. So it's to tighten with a screwdriver. Okay. Now I need to, put on the drill. So my Ryobi cordless drill. Tighten this. Try to tighten. Screw a little more. Okay, that's tight. Now I need to put the buffer bonnet. Stretch this over the rubber backer. Alright, this is one of the sections of gutters I'm going to try. You can see it's got some moss on it, got cobwebs, so let's see how the buffing wheel does. I just threw some water on the gutters. The manufacturer recommends using a low speed for the buffing, so I'm going to give it a try. I think it worked pretty well getting that moss off. It did leave some kind of lint from the wheel itself on there. There's a little bit of some particles, but yeah, I think if I was doing this in the fall, or any time of year other than February in the middle of the winter, like I'm doing now, I'd have a hose, and after I was done getting the breaking up stuff, I would then hose the particles off. This is another dirty section of gutters I'm going to try. Again, I think this section right here is cleaner after the buffing. So I think the cordless drill buffer was effective. I think for it to really be competitive with other ways of cleaning, like an extension pole with a brush on the end of it, you'd really want to have a way to maybe attach it to a pole and somehow find a way where you could use the buffer from the ground, so that you could move from one section to the next without always having to move a ladder. Thanks for watching the video. The mission of USA Gutter Services is to automate the gutter cleaning process to decrease ladder fall deaths and injuries. I could use your help. On the next slide, I'm going to show a list of items that would be helpful for me. If you could look at that, if you have anything that you don't need anymore, please give me a call. Thank you.